Okay, great. So as I mentioned, the exercises that we're going to do here and demonstrate here relate pretty much directly to the homework that you're going to be doing. You can even follow along with the exercises here and then translate that into work on the homework assignment. The homework assignment, as we discussed, is to write two scripts. The first is an ETL utility script. That just means extract, transform, and load. That just means take data from somewhere and put it somewhere else. We're going to take data from a JSON file and insert it into a database table. And then secondly, we're going to design a product object that will hold a single product's data and then insert it into a template. If we look at the data that we're going to be working with, this is the sample of the JSON data. As you can see, the JSON data has product information. So one of your main tasks after inserting this data into a database is to design a product object. The product object's going to hold as attributes brand, list price, product description. Of course, this is very similar to what we did last week with the stock object. You're just going to create a product object that can hold this data, and then you're going to insert it into a Jinja 2 template. That part's going to be actually very easy. The result is actually kind of impressive in a sense because you're creating what we might see as some sort of product page that could be part of a catalog like an Amazon catalog or some other kind of product catalog. And it's really very straightforward. You're simply selecting the data out of the database, populating a product object, and then inserting the product object into this template. Like I said, we're going to go over these steps one after the other. So we can just take it step by step. Again, I don't want you to feel overwhelmed by the scope of this project. It's actually pretty straightforward. And as you see us doing this work here, again, you can gradually build up your solutions to the homework by following along with what we're doing here.